Hello friends, welcome to my channel Striking Vista. Today I will show you the top 10 tourist attractions in one of my favorite cities in the world, London. Throughout the year, there is so much going on in this lovely and picturesque capital city of England, so for me and many others like me, it's truly a happening city. Being one of my favorite cities, I have visited it a number of times. This cosmopolitan city has many attractions for all the age groups and a lot of places to explore. It includes museums, natural parks, cathedrals, old and modern architecture, natural wonders, theme parks, pubs, bars, gardens, art galleries, a wide variety of intercontinental food, and much more. The list of the places is virtually endless. The magnificent beauty of the old and modern architecture cannot simply be missed while roaming around and visiting places within the city. The underground metro, commonly known as Tube here, is the lifeline of the people living here and for the visitors too. This is one of the finest mode of the public transport in London. It is so well planned and convenient that it becomes extremely easy to travel from one end of the city to another. For me, London is a photographer's paradise and I love it. So let's go through the top 10 tourist attractions in London. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Striking Vista and hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Number 10 on the list is the Trafalgar Square and the National Gallery at the Charing Cross Tube Station. This is a public square just outside the Charing Cross Tube Station or 10 to 15 minutes walk from the Westminster Tube Station. A lot of people visit this place and it's quite happening with the different stage shows, musics, water fountains, etc. There is also an art museum, the National Gallery, and has a lot of beautiful paintings, a treat for the art lovers and a must-visit place. Number 9 on the list is the St. Paul's Cathedral. This is a mere 5 minutes walk from the Millennium Bridge and a must-visit place. This is located at the St. Paul's Tube Station. The artwork on the interior of the wall of this beautiful Anglican cathedral is simply captivating. You can also go to the top of the dome by purchasing the ticket. I must say that the panoramic views from the top is really awesome. The cathedral architecture is extremely elegant and amazing, however the photography is not allowed inside. St. James Park at the Green Park Tube Station comes at number 8. It's a beautiful park in the middle of the central London with a lot of open space for a good, long and relaxing walk. People also come here to spend some quality time with their friends and family and just to relax. There is a lovely lake at the center of this park with a wide variety of water birds. If you come here during the spring or the summer time, the weather is just perfect. And it all becomes quite colorful in the autumn season. Number 7 on the list is the Natural History Museum and the Victoria Albert Museum. Both of these museums are really massive and there are literally thousands, hundreds of thousands of historical objects, statues, paintings for the display here. The entry to both of these museums is free of cost and it is really a must-visit place. These museums are located in the South Kensington area. Number 6 on the list is the tallest building in London, the Shard, and also the Hayes Galleria. This 95-story tall skyscraper is a brilliant piece of architecture with the exterior made of glass and can be seen anywhere from the central London. It is located near the London Bridge tube station. I would prefer to go here to the top during the sunset time so that you can get some dramatic city views of the day and the night as well. Hayes Galleria is a great place in the London borough of Southwark, situated on the south bank of the River Thames, featuring some offices, restaurants and shops. Wembley Central Shopping Market comes at number 5 and is a very lively place. It's particularly famous for the Indian shopping market, where you can find all kinds of shops and restaurants offering some Indian clothes, foods, vegetables, jewelry, sweets, etc. Just near to this area is a big, elegant Hindu temple, which is really a worth visit. Number 5 in the list is the giant wheel in London, the London Eye, and the Big Ben. Situated near the bank of River Thames and a 2-minute walk from the Westminster tube station, this wheel offers some great panoramic views of the entire London with an entry price or the entry fee of just around £18. The ticket includes a short 4D film as well. Big Ben is also very near to the London Eye and situated on the other side of the Westminster Bridge. You can also see Parliament of England just next to the Big Ben. Number 4 in the list is an elegant piece of architecture, the Millennium Bridge. This suspension bridge is very beautiful and just a 5-minute walk from the St. Paul's Cathedral and a 15-minute walk from the London Bridge. You can get a lot of photos during the sunset and the night time of this Millennium Bridge. King's Cross train station comes at number 3, which has a very unique architecture and a massive train station. It is also connected with an underground tube station, and the station has some small cafes, restaurants and a Harry Potter shop as well. London Underground, as I previously mentioned at the start of the video, is a lifeline for the Londoners and a very effective public transport. The entire London is extremely well connected using this underground public transport. Number 2 on the list is my favorite, London Bridge, Tower Museum and HMS Belfast. You can either get down at the London Bridge tube station or the Tower Hill tube station to visit these 4 places. Tower Bridge is a really massive and elegant bridge over the River Thames and is truly many photographers' favorite. It's around 5 to 7 minutes walking distance from the Tower Hill tube station. One can capture it either from the bridge or from the either side of the bridge along the bank of the River Thames. Tower Museum has some amazing collection of the priceless jewelry items. London Bridge is a simple yet beautiful piece of architecture and near the London Bridge tube station and a great location for a photography. HMS Belfast is a big ship that was built for the Royal Navy and now a museum over the River Thames. Buckingham Palace, which is a place where the royal family and the Queen of England lives, tops the list. Situated in the central London and a 5-minute walk from the Green Park tube station, this is a must-visit place. So those are some of the top 10 attractions. However, there is much more to visit in London, including the places like River Cruise of Thames, Greenwich area, Canary Wharf area, O2 Arena, Madame Tussauds Museum, Albert Hall, Somerset House, Hyde Park, Piccadilly Circus, Oxford Circus shopping area, etc. So if you find this video useful, please like and share it. Also, please subscribe to my channel Striking Vista and press the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming videos. So friends, we will connect soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good day. Thank you.